were born in Siberia.
A lot of snow, freezing temperature, frostbite, and no sun. All our life we dreamed to live in a warm place. We hate winter. We hate winter. We finally moved to our dream place in Kolina, Hawaii. It's our paradise place.
And we are very happy.
When we're waking up in the morning, my first thing, oh, we are in Hawaii. This dream came true. There's no winter anymore for us. We're very persistent. Persistence, that's what got us from Siberia to Hawaii.
Every single day we go by the ocean to do our exercises. If you're doing every day just basic routine, it's not so hard, it's not so heavy, it's like usual. It's very easy to do.
We learned how to be persistent in this business, and we understood if you go to your goal, you're gonna get this goal someday. If you go fast, it's gonna be faster, but even you go slow, you're still gonna get your dream, your goal. But if you stop, if you go to another direction, change your concentration, then you're not gonna reach your goal, you're not gonna reach your dream.
Persistence, it doesn't mean that you need to do hard work. You just need to do every day some small steps.
Everybody has a dream. I'm not saying everybody should live in Hawaii. Somebody wants to live in Alaska, somebody wants to live in Africa, but only your effort. If you can reach this goal or you can stay at the place where you live now. It's in your hands.
I'm Irina.
I'm Boris Mezeritsky.
We live in Hawaii.
We have a lot of dreams.
We are Soaring manager, and
we are forever.